I think culinary school can benefit a future chef's career by simply the experience. Going to culinary school helped my career by teaching me a lot of the tools, techniques, and fundamentals that you would need to operate a kitchen in a restaurant. I think that was really important in terms of my cooking and my food today. There's a lot of things that you're going to learn in culinary school that you won't learn just by working in restaurants. And I think also culinary school shows you a lot of options. It touches on hospitality management, it touches on food photography, food styling, food writing, food media, journalism. But I think most people think it's just come in, cook, and then leave, cook, but it's not the end all be all. I think also with culinary school, you're going to get chef instructors in an environment where there's a lot more patience. My top advice for aspiring chefs and restaurant owners is be kind.